would still own one if it were fuel injected. It's not a lot of fun getting the 4 carburetors synced in a V4. There's not a lot of room to work with in there. They were touring. It's kind of pretty up here today. It looks like the leaves are starting to change colors. Some of the trees got some nice red colors in them. We've had a few days that it's been down in the 40s. It won't be long, and 2023 will be far in our rearview mirror. Let's hope and pray that 2024 is a little bit better. If we can get anybody but Biden in the White House, it's got to get better, right? The economy sucks. The school systems suck. Transportation sucks. Can't afford to buy groceries. Can't put gas in your damn car. For that matter, you can't put gas in your motorcycle. It was $20 for 4 gallons this morning. $4.99 a gallon. It's worth it though. This bike will get me 250 miles, so I'm good with that. Cell service, no people, no traffic, bunch of Harleys that are going to hose the sport bikes going in the other direction. I wasn't expecting that gust of wind. A little bit breezy on this side. It was calm on the Tennessee side, but yeah, still, look how beautiful today is. Look how beautiful this is. I hope if you're watching this video, you enjoy the scenery as much as I like bringing this video to you, and I appreciate you watching it. Look at the colors there. There they are. Look at that race group. Woo, yeah. Sometimes you got to ask yourself, if Harley Davidson made airplanes, would you fly in a Harley Davidson airplane? He's compensating for something little, all the way from Mississippi. Ford had it right when they marketed the Mustang towards secretaries. I can't think of a better car for a woman. Hang on, folks. We're going to get around them in just a second. Jackson, Mississippi. He's cursing me. His mouth's just a-going. This motorcycle's pushing me down the mountain. I'm in a Mustang GT with 500 horsepower, and this motorcycle with 100 horsepower is just pushing me. There's nothing I can do. There's nothing I can do. I'm in a Mustang. I'm giving her all she got.